Hey guys, I'm going to be recording this in real time. I'm not going to speed it up because this is super quick and easy. The company we're going to be working with is Unice Hair. Get into it. You already know Unice is that girl. They sent me an HD wig cap. As you guys can see, we're going to use this for our install. Silk or satin robe. And I'm going to put that on just for the video. Everything's good to go. This is what my hair is looking like. A lot of body foam. Smooth or lay my hair back. Okay, so this is the wig. Okay. Look at that. Let me zoom out so y'all can see. Okay. And you can wear it just like this. I'm going to take a spray bottle. So wet versus dry. Difference. Okay, ladies, so this is the final review, well, final look. It literally took me 30 minutes in real time, still full. Once it's like semi-dry, it's not like boneless when it gets wet, which I enjoy. Full from root to tip. It curls from root to tip. The lace is 100% HD, okay? You can't tell me that this is not my scalp. Real cute, real natural, real quick, real easy, okay? Super full, like I said. I am 5 foot, and it comes to stretched out to my booty. But I love it. Good amount of parting space. And then, like I said, it is bomb.com. This is what the lace looks like up close. You can see I'm not showing no gimmicks. You can see my wig cap up underneath because we didn't do a ball cap, but
don't pay no attention to that, okay?
What you don't see is that lace. You can see that ball cap, but you don't see that lace. You feel me? That's what you want. The lace is eating down. 100% glueless. Look at that. Tell them, Sincere. Unice. Hair texture, 10 out of 10. It's definitely water wave. It's not loose, looking like a pack of noodles. Like, the ends are really good. They don't look dry. They don't look brittle. If the hair doesn't get poofy or frizzy, it's staying true to its texture, and it's almost halfway dry. All I did was put a little water in it. It didn't need no product at all. These literally wear and go. I didn't have to do anything. I really didn't even have to put makeup on the lace. I just did a little bit at the end, but as you guys seen throughout the video, optional, 100% optional. You really didn't have to do that. Overall, I would give this a 10 out of 10. Unice never disappoints me. You get cute gifts. I love this little silk satin robe with their little brand logo. Super cute. HD wig caps that are actually HD. And like I said, the hair is amazing. I would definitely recommend for beginners, if you don't know how to install a wig, or you're intimidated of the thought of even like messing with a wig, installing a wig. Definitely recommend a pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. I had to do nothing to this wig, literally. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe, y'all. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank y'all. Mwah. Bye.